Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Norbrook, and Norbrook is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica and one of the top neighborhoods in the Kingston and St Andrew area. Now we are actually in St Andrew and we're going to take a tour through Norbrook. I mean, just ignore the roads. The roads are bad, like all or most of the residential roads in Jamaica. So I guess by now you're watching the videos, you've gotten accustomed to the bad roads. Kind of ironic, you have these $1,000,000 homes and look at the state of the road. But that's how it is everywhere in Jamaica. Alright, so this is Norbrook. Ah boy, I can bet I know which government agency dug up that road, but we're not going to go there today. But just based on the state of how the road was left, I would bet it was X company. I'm sure you guys have had similar experiences with that company and the state in which they leave the road. So these are very nice homes. Some new, very modern looking homes. Alright, so we're now going to go head towards Norbrook Road, which is that road straight ahead. You turn left here, it takes you back to Olivia Road by the back gate of Immaculate. You turn right, it takes you to Manor Park. Straight ahead on the hill, that's Norbrook Hill, or I think I call it Norbrook, yeah, Norbrook Hill, or Norbrook Heights, one of the two. You can see a lot of construction going on in this area, mostly townhouses. It's very rare that people build homes anymore, because if you build an apartment complex, you can make far more money than building a single home. And if you build a townhouse complex, you make even more money. Alright, we're just going to make a quick tour. Turn here so you can get to see some more of the homes. Now, some of these homes, especially the ones that are on the corner, you call them the corner lots, they have a large property. Okay, like this home here now would be on the corner because it's literally on a corner. This one here on the left, you can see how big that property is. Over that one looks like it's a townhouse. Over here now, we see where this wall is. It's one property covering the entire length. It's actually empty. Why would they put up such? Maybe somebody was going to do some work and they put up the wall, but there is no gate. It's just grass over there, so I guess things didn't work out, or it's a work in progress. But that's a very expensive wall to put up and not have a gate. Alright, so we're back on Norbrook Road now, heading towards the Manor Park area. Okay, this is very nice to see. They're collecting garbage on a Sunday. Actually, are they really collecting garbage? Because the garbage is still in the garbage bin. Not sure what this truck is doing here. That is, I don't know. I don't think the garbage is still in the bin, so maybe they're looking for somewhere. Because you know, usually see them collecting garbage on a Sunday. And look at these bins, they all have garbage in them. That's very strange. Alright, you can see on this side now you have a lot of townhouse complexes. I think the part of Jamaica that has the most apartments in one area, or townhouses in one area, is probably Millsboro. And then after Millsboro, it's probably the Ligony area, the Golden Triangle. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour through Norbrook. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Okay, straight ahead before we go, that building is that tall building with the orange roof. That's the Powell building. It's named after General Colin Powell. His parents were Jamaican. I think he was, I'm not sure if he was born in Jamaica or the US, but the building is owned by the US government and it was named after General Powell. Alright, this is the Manor Park area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.